What is the real problem you are trying to solve? Imagine you're trying to fix a leaky faucet. You might think tightening the valve is the solution, but the real issue could be a worn-out washer. Sometimes, what we see on the surface isn't the root of the problem. When we talk about problem solving in the human mind and behavior, it all starts with understanding what challenge we're really facing. The core issue is the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. It's like having a goal but not knowing what's stopping you from reaching it. Problem solving is a mental process that involves several steps. First, you need to clearly identify what the problem is. Sometimes it's not obvious and you have to ask yourself questions like, what exactly is holding me back? Or what outcome do I want? Once you know the problem, you generate different options or solutions. This is where creativity and thinking outside the box come into play. Next, you evaluate each possible solution. Which one seems most practical or effective? You weigh the pros and cons based on what you know. After that, you pick the best option and put it into action. This cycle of thinking, testing, and adjusting is how humans solve problems every day. Our brains use several cognitive functions to do this. Reasoning helps us analyze the situation. Memory recalls past experiences that might be useful. Attention focuses on the key details, and language helps us articulate what's going on. These mental functions work together like a team to help us find solutions. Understanding the real problem also means looking beyond the surface. For example, if someone keeps missing deadlines, the surface issue might seem like poor time management. But the root cause could be in clear instructions or feeling overwhelmed. Solving the real problem means digging deeper to find what's truly causing the obstacle. In everyday life, asking yourself questions like, what is really stopping me? Or what do I need to change? Helps clarify the challenge. Once you understand that, you can focus your mental energy on fixing it instead of just addressing symptoms. Getting better at problem solving can help you make smarter decisions, handle new challenges more easily, and learn from your experiences. Improving observation skills allows you to gather accurate information. Critical thinking helps you analyze that information clearly. These skills are essential for navigating both personal and professional situations. So, the real problem you are trying to solve is the specific challenge or gap between where you are now and where you want to go. Problem solving is your mental toolkit for identifying that challenge, exploring options, and choosing the best way forward. It's built on core human abilities that help us deal with the complexities of daily life and society.